hay chuộc đón ta tú là hiện chuộc trong đón chiên yo tú là hiện dar som lem som panga dar som lem som panga nia Rajdhani rail chuộc trong ta hay media nó tam khóc mấy là hậu ole chi bai ule voin di hi September ni som pathum sa ni som ni panga inrin ni ania hei tuna kanom na hi Sairang rail station ani voin ni hian Mizoram rail rail service turin pumodi an ro pui takin hongdona Mizoram abigin lai zo khochung hemi Sairang tenen in puat cha na turu khop maya hei tuna hian mun he kanom meka jing dar viet le chan vel ania sola son Rajdhani te po omnin kan ria wani hian helai hian Sairang rail station atang hian no pang som big te po rail an chuang don nin ka ria tin Mizoram chi sang sang te po om don nin kan ria helai hian thla kan han langa tin video pahni pathum ron siam kan tum dona min loin sak turin ka han ngen cheu ni in zawa in abul changa top thleng kham lo thir sak vek don yo re la kal tran hele una hian dar som lem som panga nia Rajdhani rail chuộc trong ta chua chi dar som lem ni som panga ni Sairang rail station train Rajdhani dar som lem ni som panga September ni som pathum sang ni som hi panga inrin ni hian somadar som lem ni som panga chuak tlan tran inango he hon na school no pang tele department sang te an chuang chu maya bai rabi theng an kal don ani compartment ng zange kan lo chia lawa sei khop mai hei che kana so lam pa amalam chuanin Sairang veng sang khari 0 point border ha chen here dong sei khop mai so la ro long don so maya ding le dewa hey drone te po thok nuôi mấy he lampang among lampang alon kheng re don na ye
From today, Idol will be on India's railway map. A few years ago, I had the opportunity of laying the foundation stone for the Idol railway line.
Rel kaliam chia ti han hey helai platform borvel hi antol du mayan
Overcoming many challenges, including difficult terrain, this Bharati Saram railway has
pui
become
ngắt kan kan hem khop mai hey pui ta kan
skills of our engineers and the spirit of our workers made this possible.
hey hang lai hi ta nan nuôi nó kan hu hian he là mà medical lắm hụt đi chụp mấy cái chụp nó lắm bằng hai ya thì thế là hydron theo mình đi he ba drone hi lâu nhỉ này tu dân là tật sát mấy thì kan chụp nó lắm bằng hai ya rel berakal to program hi engineer man zel don kan filawa
People will be able to access more options for education and healthcare.
Rel kong ate po hen kal tram to ni
Employment opportunity in tourism, transport, and hospitality sector. Friends,
rel beranok to so kal nuôi mấy
planting in our country that has practiced vote-bank politics. The focus was always on places which had more votes and seats. The entire Northeast, including states like Mizoram, suffered greatly because of this LPG connection.
rel kha kal to rajdhani alia mi jang e chuang tur po kan sari tu lowa sang khan department sang school no pang sang khan bi te an chuang ani bây giờ đi khen ăn chụp cái là ăn rồi hóng sau này đó đi gần xía tiếng chú ăn đi
Helicopter service will begin here.
thì giờ là cần không ạ cái là gì
Access
nghe
to remote area
platform thấu anh
of
này
Mizoram.
với người ta Samiana chỉ đó ní Samiana đi đâu
Mizoram had a
bằng con đi
major role
xía mà đi
in both our Act-East policy
hay lắm bậc
and the
đu đảo sang
emerging Northeast Economic Corridor.
đu đảo sang làm thế bao giờ đi về
With the Kaladam
à lắm
multi-modal transit transport project and
กูถักที่มาเตะกันเรื่องว่าดูดาสันนั่นนี่
Serang Buchenhua rail line.
กูรู้ในชั้นยอนที่ไหน
Mizoram will also get connected to the Bay of Bengal through Southeast
เช่น
Asia.
อันหอเดี๋ยวที่เสียให้
Due to this,
กันหน่วยไม่ให้แล้วก็ที่ก็ฟังเพลงเสียแล้วก็เล่นเลยลูกของโอ้แล้วก็ยังเล่นเพลงเลยลูกของ
Northeast India
So
and
nice, so,
Southeast Asia.
Station Borvel Building garon ilan sit vel kan ya alu mayo
With talented youth
ye program annahan zeron kan salawa
our government has already started
tup mai mi zo tong abiak turan wa riong mai avon ni changin a hei a hui tep tep mai
to start 6 more schools. Our Northeast is also becoming a major hub for travel.
so lama so kan police te an la ther hi tuang me so
4,500 startups and 25 incubators are operating in the region. Young people of Mizoram are actively joining this movement and creating new opportunities for themselves and others.
hem ho hi railway staff ten ya chuan hela hian in medical lampang alun khop mai a he lampang chu lun big ve ai gp ten check ni re dam doi ten la lu mai chuan he chaklama hian rel pakhat ading buka rel thave tak chu ding buka diki machine enga maza chuan thena tu compartment sei fe kha lo ding buk ani ki nu le mai a mi pui mi zo tong adiak turan fang le mai a soyang khan nek ne pana rel atlan liam to boka abo ruak vlog ani hio ani ong khom mai so platform lam pang so kan thei vela film simango li veli chu duang an lapi fel lo ani hi la ma ke rel sei to kha ene rel chan chin se tak tak chuan tam viau do ni hei vai de ung an ni mai hei hi station Borvel building pia zo khania Sairang rail station kan kalzar mai le hi platform sarang rail station platform at hangzok timengo tom na takit ko chakla ma dia kan a tun chu ma mi hi du tok po tang chon video kan da kan la nu la chung chu kan on tho chuak do ni min la tu zong zong ten a min lo en sak za du ga ngien cheu a sap chong takin please like share subscribe an tiang khan khang kha mi lo pui se tu kan ngien cheu ni